Assalamu alaikum. Are you worried about a teenager in your life who seems constantly down? Maybe you're a parent, a teacher, or someone who regularly interacts with young people. You see the struggle, but you're not sure how to help. Solace is hosting a vital 2-day workshop called Youth Matters, where we aim to help you understand teen mental health, struggles, and solutions. This workshop aims to answer your questions and provide you with practical skills. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Every one of you is a shepherd, and everyone is answerable with regard to his flock." As adults, it is our duty to guide our youth through their struggles. Join us on the 30th of September and the 1st of October from 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. UTC. And here's the best part. Book by the 27th of September and get a 50% early bird discount. Don't miss this chance to make a real difference in a young life. Reserve your seat today. Together, let's unlock a better future for our youth, Sha Allah.